Spotted ants in your kitchen? Let's quickly show them the way out with some simple hacks. Ants hate citrus smells. Place lemon or orange peels at entry points. It's like an invisible barrier for them. Let's start our borax bait. Measure out half a cup of borax. Next, add 1 cup of sugar to the mix. This sweetens the deal. Mix them together. This blend is irresistible to ants, but fatal. Set this mixture in shallow containers near ant trails. For the spray, pour 1 cup of vinegar into a bottle. Fill the rest with water. It's the perfect ant-repelling blend. Spray this where ants roam. It disrupts their scent trails and says, "Keep out." Diatomaceous earth works wonders. Just a sprinkle where they gather, and it's goodbye, ants.
If you found our ideas helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about getting rid of ants, and share it with your friends who might like it too. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more super home care tips.